In place of the all-purpose flour, I am using the semolina. I add the baking powder, some salt, the sugar, and then I mix the dry ingredients together until it is properly combined. Once it's properly mixed, I set the bowl aside, and in another mixing bowl, I crack open an egg, I pour in the milk, I add the melted butter, and some vanilla extract. I whisk thoroughly with a fork. I make a well in the dry ingredients, and I pour in the wet ingredients. I fold the batter together until there are no longer any large lumps. Make sure you are not overmixing, as this will make your pancakes to be quite tough. I'll keep this pancake plain, but if you want to add pepper and onions or any other flavoring, now would be a great time to add it. It's best to use a standard measurement to scoop the pancakes so that it all comes out in one size. I coat the pan with some vegetable oil. At this point, I want to add that you should set your heat to medium-low while cooking the pancakes. I scoop some amount of the batter into the pan, and then I cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I flip it over to the other side, and then I cook for about a minute. Once it is cooked, I take it out of the pan, and I repeat this process until all the batter is exhausted. Now our semolina pancakes is sitting pretty and ready to be devoured. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.